ka Voice of the People Party VPP kala therteng ka NPP namar ka Jingbun pa jengki ha ka ying dor par thau an ka jela Meghalaya ka bakot hadun riu phongun da ka baong baka dei ka Jingbun pa u president ka VPP u ba Seng-Ardent Mila Basaïawmoit ula kentho baka nongrim jong ka NPP kam don da ka Jinglong hok namar kam shem la yo leng ba ki jingmi be haki election henrei ka dei leng ba ka jing pet seng jong ki MLA ban yasno sha ka NPP bat ula penbud ru balada ki job da ka jingjit jong pat ba yaki udaya ro yaki henrei ka dei ka jingi penias no jong Kiwei pat ki party sha ka party NPP bat ka VPP kala berngam ru ban khanglat ki kinong pet seng bat bakan penbud ya ka an lada I don kam.
To see anything, to be proud of, because this is not an election where people elected a party with a single largest. They got that number through proxy, through proxy only, and maybe those MLAs, they cannot withstand the pressure that the government is giving towards the members belonging to the opposition. So had they won on their own during the election, had they won by the verdict of the people, yes, I would have appreciated, I would have congratulated. But they've got this number through proxy, so there's nothing to share about.